every system is going to affect the other. So let's think of, I'm sure we have all at one time or another stubbed our toe. Okay. So we have pain to the toe. So we have musculoskeletal going on right now. We've got some pain going on there. But I bet you noticed that your pulse rate increased. Your heart probably is beating a little harder. So now your blood pressure is also increasing. Maybe you have some increase in your respirations as well. Depending on how bad that pain is, you might get some GI symptoms because now you're nauseated. You feel like you're going to throw up because it hurts so bad. Then your skin gets a little sweaty. Okay. You get a little diaphoretic because that pain is so much. And we might swear, right? So now we have some psychological issues going on too, right? We're angry. So now we're swearing because we just hit our toe. Okay. So you see how it kind of affected a lot of our systems?